Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to make this soft and delicious authentic Ghana puff puff, and we have a special ingredient. We are using bananas. Yes, so let's get right into the video. If you are new here, you are welcome. So to proof my yeast, I'm going to add some sugar, yeast, lukewarm water. I'll give that a good mix and cover it and set it in a warm place to proof for 5 to 10 minutes. So if you're using instant yeast, you don't need to do this. You can just pour it into your mixing bowl right away. So here are my bananas. There are 5 medium bananas over here. I'm going to peel them and then mash them nicely. You can blend the bananas if that's what you want, or you can use your potato masher. I'm just going with my fork and I'll mash it until it gets the consistency that I like. You can use the consistency you like. I added some salt, vanilla extract, and then I'll be grating some nutmeg in here as well. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. I'm adding some milk powder. Our yeast has proofed beautifully after 10 minutes. We are adding that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add my flour. You can use bread flour for this. You can use all-purpose flour. They both work nicely, okay? So I'm mixing this and adding in little by little. So for puff puff, if you want it to be really nice and soft, then you may want to add less flour. I like it soft, so if you are a soft team member, this is the recipe for you. I also added 3 tablespoons of sugar. So if you want it a bit tougher, you may want to add a bit more flour than I did, okay? So once you finish combining your flour, you want to knead it like this on the screen. If you want to knead it by hand, that's also fine. Just make sure that you knead it until it's nice and stretchy the way it is right now. So I'm going to cover this and keep it in a warm place to rise for an hour. But if where you are is not warm, you can heat your microwave or your oven and then turn it off and put it in there to rise. Or you let it rise longer than an hour. It should take about 2 hours or more. After an hour, we'll heat some oil under medium heat. Make sure the oil is enough so that the puff puff will not stick to the bottom of the pan or burn, okay? You can use a smaller pan if you do not have a lot of oil. We are back to check on our dough and it's almost doubled in size beautifully. We'll take out some of the air and I'll show you how to scoop your dough just like this, and it comes with a lot of practice, so don't worry, just keep practicing and you will be the best, okay? So to check if oil is hot enough, you want to drop in one of the puff puff, and when it rises within a few seconds, you can add in the rest beautifully. Just squeeze it between your fingers like I'm doing and you should be good to go. You can also use a spoon to drop your puff puff. That is just your preference, okay? So when you finish dropping your puff puff, make sure that the heat is not too high, because we do not want the puff puff to be cooked on the outside and uncooked on the inside. So when you are done adding in all your puff puff, you want to use your skewer or whatever you can use to roll the puff puff balls around. We'll fry them for some minutes until we get that perfect golden brown color that we are all looking for. So if you are new here, hello, you are welcome to this channel. This is Vicky in the kitchen. Over here we cook nice and easy recipes. Feel free to join this growing family by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. And my returning subscribers, you all know I love you. So this is the brownness I am going for. Yes, I would like to dish it out at this point, because when you take it out, the residual heat will make it brown further until it cools down, okay? So after dishing everything, this is what we have. Beautiful golden brown puff puff. Let's finish up with the last batch and then we'll serve our puff puff. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this banana puff puff recipe. I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. My name is Victoria once again. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. This puff puff was very nice and soft and delicious, just authentic, just the way you can see. It's very beautifully made. Always remember, God loves you and has a great plan for your life. See you in my next video. Bye.